Let's assume here there are two charges, Q1 and this is Q2. This is the Q1 charge and this is Q2 charge, okay? And the distance between these two charges is R. R is the distance, no? Q1 R Q2 may be positively charged. If the positively or negatively charged, we can say here if they having the same charges, then there is a force of attraction between these two, force of repulsion between two charges, because they are same charges. Q1 and Q2 जो है दोनों ही सिमिलर हैं, या तो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है, बोथ पॉजिटिव चार्ज और बोथ नेगेटिव चार्ज, तो देर इज अ force developed between them is force of repulsion, okay? If one condition is maybe Q1 and Q2 are oppositively charged, then they have a force of attraction. Then here we talk about we have written Fe is equal to Fc, and the electrostatic force of attraction. Force, not attraction, that can be repulsion also. We can give a expression 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. This is the formula we will just write here, and where 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is a constant. This is the constant value you can write here, and the centripetal force we can write here, Fc is equal to mv square upon R. Here we can say that this is the mc mv square. हम assume करते हैं कि when electron whose radius of orbit is R, electron is here and it's move around the nucleus with the velocity v. Let the mass of electron is m is the mass of electron, and revolve around the nucleus with the velocity v, and this electron feels centripetal force. This is the nucleus positive, and feels centripetal force towards the nucleus. Due to electrostatic force of electron, it also exert a force towards the center called Fc, that is the centripetal force. So यदि Q1 is an electron and what is Q2, तो यदि charge on electron, if we can say Q1, तो charge on nucleus क्या होगा? Number of proton. It depends upon the proton. It depends upon the protons. And how many proton is positively charged? We know that. And how many protons are there? That is we can say Z atomic number के according होगा. तो how many protons are there? That is the Z, which is equal to the atomic number. So we can see charge on nucleus we can write plus Ze. Okay, so here Q2 is equal to plus Ze is the nuclear charge. Q1 is electron, charge on the electron, and Q2 is positively charged. This is the value of Q1, this is the value of Q2. Now we have a our formula. What is our formula? Our formula is equation 1, mv r इक्वल टू एन एच अपॉन 2 पाई. हमने अभी पढ़ा था, ये हमारा इक्वेशन नंबर 1 था. और हमने अभी वैल्यू पुट करी थी एफ ई इज इक्वल टू एफ सी. तो जब हम इन दोनों को वैल्यू को पुट करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा हमारा 1/4 एप्साइलम नॉट Q1 Q2 अपॉन आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, या यहाँ पर हम क्या कर देंगे इसकी वैल्यू रख देंगे एफ सी की, एम वी स्क्वायर अपॉन आर. दिस इज द एफ ई इज इक्वल टू एफ सी. ओके, तो हियर इफ वी पुट द वैल्यू देन द 1/4 एप्साइलम नॉट जेड ई स्क्वायर अपॉन आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एम वी स्क्वायर. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. ये हमने कहाँ से लिया? वी हैव पुट फॉरवर्ड फ्रॉम हियर. ठीक है ना, ये हमारी इक्वेशन नंबर 2 हो गई. अब हमने क्या किया, दोनों को हमने क्या किया, इसको एक साथ लिख दिया. दोनों को हमने क्या किया, एफ ई इज इक्वल टू एफ सी, देन वी गेट द 1/4 एप्सिलॉन जेड ई स्क्वायर अपॉन आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एम वी स्क्वायर अपॉन. दिस इज आवर third equation. This is our third equation.